Good morning, viewers. Welcome back. We are at race 3 of the day at MRF MMSC FMSA Indian National Motorcycle Racing Championship 2020. As Amit just informed, this is the stock up to 165cc in novice category. The grid position is based on the race finishing order of race 1 that was held yesterday. On P4 is Alvin Xavier from Chennai, a privateer. On P4 is Navneet Kumar S, a privateer, and on P4 Navneet Kumar S from Rolex Rockers Racing, and on P6 is Shishadri S from Bangalore of Sparks Racing. That finishes our second row. Starting the third row is Veera from Madurai, Alvin Sundar from Chennai, and Samrul from Hyderabad. And on P4, on row number 4, interestingly, starting with bike number 97 is Lani Zena Fernandez. So she is the lone woman in this category, starting from 4th row. That's Lani Zen Fernandez from Pondicherry, and followed by Namru from Hyderabad, and finishing the 4th row is Sarvesh from Hubli. We have riders from all across the country. We have at the 10th row Tanmay Datta from Guwahati. We have riders from Hyderabad, Chennai, Hubli, Varanasi, all over the country. And it's a brilliant lineup here. 40 riders taking up the race 2 of stock 165cc novice category. The teams competing in this category are RSCR Castrol Power, Sparks Racing, Rolex Rockers Racing, Sparks Racing, AS Motorsports, Racist, Gusto Racing. Those are the few teams that are competing here with the best of their riders. The 40 riders are lined up now to take the start, and that's a start. And the riders now move towards the turn 1. And it's Ullas and Nitin fighting for the top 2 places. And as they move towards the turn 1, it's Ullas leading the race. All riders pass through turn 1 safely, and the leader is now moving towards turn 3. And it's Ullas leading the race currently. The leaders are now on back straight, moving towards turn 4 at the West Paddock. The race leader is Ullas, followed by Nitin, and on 3rd place is Mohan Babu. The riders now turn on to turn 4. The leader there moving on to turn 6 and turn 7. And the riders on the back straight there. The riders now coming onto the back straight, moving towards the fast right-hand corner. As the riders come, the leader is Ullas, followed by Nitin of Sparks Racing. Ullas increasing his lead from Nitin. That's Ullas leading the race as they enter into the bridge complex. There has been a crash, and I hope the rider is safe, and the marshals would move in fast to move the bike away. And the race leaders now come on to the home straight, and it's Ullas leading the race, followed by Nitin, and on 3rd place is Mohan Babu. The riders have finished the first lap. There is a 6th lap race. The grid's position was based on the finish order of race 1. Oh, there is another rider down on bike number 77. That's Manvit Reddy from RSCR Castrol Power team. There is a yellow flag at that post, and the leaders now moving towards turn 4. The race leaders now moving towards the back straight, finishing the big sweep. There is a change in position. The leader is now. Oh, what do we see? Ullas has dropped out. Ullas has had a crash. The race leader, pole setter Ullas Santrup, has moved out and will not be able to continue with the race. And let's see who the race leader now is as the riders move towards. It looks like it is a Sparks racing bike for sure. I could see through the color. So the race leader there. Let's wait for them to appear on our screen to check the rider. The leaders now coming on to finishing the lap 2, and on first position is Nitin, followed by bike number 36 and 24 in second and third position. Bike number 24 is Veera Ashwin. And on bike number 36 is Arvind Selvam on third position. So the race leader now is Nitin S from Bangalore, representing Sparks Racing. The riders now move towards turn 4, and there's a close fight for the second position between 24-36 there. Rider number 24, Veera, and bike number 36 is Arvind Selvam, who started from 17th place. The race leader Nitin S on bike number 59, representing Sparks Racing. That's a move done by Arvind Selvam on Veera. There's a close battle for the second, third place there, with 4 bikes fighting for the second and the third place. Between bike number 24, bike number 36, there is another rider dropped. Is it bike number 15, the race leader? Not sure. We'll have to wait. There is a double yellow flag at the fast left-hander, and the pack is now led by bike number 24, Veera of RACR Castrol Power, followed by Arvind Selvam. Arvind Selvam represents Rolex Rockers Racing. Yes, the race leader now is Veera Ashwin, followed by bike number 36 on second place, and bike number 88 on third place. That's Alvin Sundar on third place from Team AS Motorsports. There's a shift on the third lap. The 2 race leaders, Ullas and Nitin, have crashed out of the race. So the new race leader is now Veera Ashwin of Team RSCR Castrol Power, and bike number 36 by Arvind Selvam of Rolex Rockers Racing. And on the third position at the end of lap 3 is Alvin Sundar from AS Motorsport. And as the leaders pass through turn 4, it's still Veera leading the race, followed by Arvind Selvam and Alvin Zip. And third place is Alvin there. on fourth place is Mohan Babu. All the four poised together on the penultimate lap. It could be anyone's race. All the four riders are closely battling there. That's Veera Ashwin, Arvind Selvam, and Alvin Sundar, Mohan Babu. All four riders poised together. Mohan Babu does a move on Alvin Sundar and moves on to the third place. There's a fifth bike joining the party here, and from the screen looks like it is bike number 25, Sheshadri, trying to join the bunch. Not very sure of that, guessing it from the leathers and helmet. Okay, as the leaders now enter onto the bridge complex, it's Veera leading, followed by Arvind Selvam, and on third place is Mohan Babu as they take the last corner, and on fourth place is Alvin Sundar. That's a close battle between Veera and Arvind Selvam. Right, I was right. Joining the party on the fifth place is Sheshadri S from Bangalore. Oh, that's another. One more race leader moves out. So Veera Ashwin has moved out of the track and will not be able to continue. We have a new leader now, and it's Arvind Selvam, who started at P17, now leading the race. This race is turning around. All the three riders leading the race have gone one after another. Now it's the new leader, Mohan Babu, leading the race at turn 4, followed by Arvind, and on third place is Alvin Sundar of AS Motorsports, and on the fourth place is Sheshadri S of Sparks Racing. Will we see any more drama on this race as the riders are on the last lap? It's a close battle for the... Oh, there is another clash with two riders clashing in the back, and both the riders are safe. Now let's move on to the leaders, as this is the last lap. There's a close fight between the four riders there, and oh! Alvin Sundar has a touch and he's moved out of the track. He is safe. He is safe there, and we have the new race leader again here on the top three bunch. So Sheshadri now moves on to the third place. The riders are on the last lap. The riders are on the last lap. It's Mohan Babu leading the race right now as he moves on to the bridge complex, followed by bike number 36, Arvind, and on the third place is Sheshadri. Yes, and this would be a first podium for Sheshadri in the last 3 years that he started racing in the national championship. And as they come to take the... Sorry, it was my mistake. Now the riders have entered into the last lap. Pardon me for my mistake. And the riders have now entered the last lap. The race is led by bike number 18, Mohan Babu, followed by bike number 36, Arvind Selvam, and on third place is Sheshadri S of Sparks Racing. The riders are on their last lap. There's a close fight between the top three positions, and Arvind trying to make a move on Mohan Babu, not successful. And the race is still led by Mohan Babu, who started P3, and on second place is Arvind Selvam, who started at 17th position, and the third position is held by Sheshadri. Sheshadri tries to make a move. On P2 is Mohan, and on P1 now is Arvind Selvam. Arvind Selvam has done a move and he is now leading the race. All the three riders are fighting close. Sheshadri trying to make an inside move on the bunch. He sticks on to the third place. It's the race leader, Arvind Selvam, the new race leader now, followed by Mohan Babu and Shishadri in third place as they move towards the last corner. They are on the bridge and exiting the bridge complex now. At the last turn, it's Arvind Selvam who's taking the last corner. Will they stick onto the checkered flag as they move on? It's it's Arvind winning the race. Arvind followed by Mohan Babu and Sheshadri on third place. It's it's a commendable race. It was full of incident and a tremendous job by Arvind there on bike number 36, starting from the 17th position on row 6 and moving all the way up to win the race. It's a brilliant victory for Arvind, followed by Mohan Babu, who was on row 1, and on Sheshadri, who started from P6. Sheshadri S from Bangalore, representing Sparks Racing. The race winner, Arvind Selvam from Team Rolex Rockers Racing. That's Arvind Selvam from Team Rolex Rockers Racing winning the race, followed by Mohan Babu Privateer, and on third place is Sheshadri S. And also to watch out is Lali Zena Fernandez, who finished 5th. Lali Zena Fernandez, as mentioned, is the lone woman rider in this grid. Lali Zena Fernandez started from P10 and finished 5. That's another rider down there. This race has been full of incident. We've had quite a few bikes there which went out, but all riders safe. Let's getting back to the race winners. The winners are on their victory lap. Again, a commendable job by the marshals. Kudos to them for helping all riders there. The leaders now on their victory lap. There are 4 races in this category. This was the second race of the category. I repeat, the winners are Arvind Selvam on bike number 36, who started from 17th position from Team Rolex Rockers Racing, followed by Mohan Babu on second place, and on third place is Shishadri from Sparks Racing. The race was started. When the race started, the race leader was Ullas Santrupta, the yesterday's race winner, who went out, and then it was Veera who held on to the race for quite some time, and again he moved out, and then the new leader was Nitin, who also moved out of the track, and the new race winners are here at the Parc Fermé. It's an exciting moment for Rolex Rockers Racing there, who won this race. There's a lot of stake for the team championship as well. So as we saw, there are 4 teams out here that we mentioned: the RSCI Castrol Power, Sparks Racing, Rolex Rockers, and AS Motorsports, Gusto Racing as well. So how do the team points get calculated? The top 2 finishing riders of each team get the points of the riders' points. So the sum of the top 2 riders of the team will be calculated for the team championship. So I would like to move to my colleague Palni at the Parc Fermé to talk to the riders there. Over to you, Palni.
Actually, it was a mixed weekend for me. Last race I was crashed when I was leading the race. So today I started from 17th. Had to do more work to lead the race. Finally, thanks to my team, my tuner Panirana, and my coach Suryana, and I'm happy for the first place. Thank you.
Yes, bro. From the first lap itself, I very but quiet, and I was waiting for right move, and as well as I am focused on championship from the first race itself. So I maintained the pace, and the pace was slow for the first two laps, and I hopefully I finished in top three. I am very happy to that, and I thanks to my tuner Umeshana and Deloranna and for my family who are watching this on live, and thank you so much.
Race was good. I had a really bad start, but I somehow kept up with the pace. And as the riders were ahead of me, I tried to push and I stayed calm, and so that I could get a podium to the team, thanks to my team and my friends and family. Thank you.